How to change debit credit card PIN Union Bank of India. To begin, log into the app, and once logged in, scroll down. You will see several options such as Recharge, Mobile Payments, and Manage Pay. Click on Debit Card from the available options. After clicking, your account number will be displayed. If you don't know your account number, you can click on it, and it will show your account number and the balance in your account. Next, if you want to block your card or generate a new PIN, you can proceed. Select your card and input the expiration date of the card. If you don't know the expiry date, check the card for the information and enter it into the app. After entering the details, click on the Proceed button. Once you click Proceed, an OTP, one-time password, will be sent to your registered mobile number. Enter the OTP into the app. After verifying the OTP, you can proceed to set a new PIN for your ATM card. You will be asked to enter the new PIN and confirm it by entering it again. After confirming, click on the Submit button. Once you do this, the system will notify you that the PIN has been successfully changed. And if you like the video, give it a like and subscribe.